Supreme Court Justice David Batts, in the case of Hemans versus the Attorney General, states, and I quote, "It bears repeating that while lawfully driving his motor vehicle, the claimant was exercising his right to freedom of movement and was entitled to expect that that, as well as his other rights, would not be interfered with without lawful excuse." All right. Yes, I am. No, I don't need a permission.
No, sir, but remember, you have editing and stuff like that, sir. And you can have my face and things.
No, but that's okay. The police, it is clear policy that I can record. The policy of the police is that I can record. Yeah.
But if you want to do it, sir, take this thing out of my face, please.
All right, I just capture your face and I'm done.
Instructions.
Yes, go ahead, go ahead.
Come on. Switch off your engine for me, please. You're not following instructions.
All right, engine is off.
Corporal Wilson is mine. We are conducting people, vehicle safety, and passenger check.
Yes.
Anything to declare, sir?
May I take out my seatbelt?
Sir, are you listening?
Yes.
You follow instructions and we go along, right?
Okay.
Do you have anything in the vehicle that is illegal or offensive to
declare? No, nothing to declare.
Sir?
Nothing to declare.
Right. So you switch off it. So let me have a look at the documents, driver's license, please.
All right, before I go
passenger,
there.
Anything to declare?
Nothing to declare.
Okay.
Are you aware that before we go to that?
Sir.
Are you?
Sir, could you kindly follow instructions? And then we you know, if you have questions to ask, I will answer whatever questions you have.
All right. So I am saying, based on your constable, corporal,
sir,
corporal,
sir,
corporal.
I'm asking you to kindly,
yes,
just comply with my instructions.
I will comply shortly.
And you, sir,
shortly.
Sir,
I am not willfully giving it to you, and that is not a lawful reason to stop my vehicle.
Sir, we are checking under the road.
Case of Hemans versus the Attorney General, the court held there is in some quarters the belief that Section 58 of the Road Traffic Act gives a power to the police to stop and search vehicles without reasonable cause. This act does no such thing. The act allows direct redirection of traffic or stopping of vehicles for the purpose of traffic flow or some reasonable purpose. The request for documents and driver's license similarly follow on some existing cause, such as a reasonable suspicion that a crime has been or is about to be committed.
Yes, sir.
That Justice David Batts, Hemans versus the Attorney General, that is not a lawful reason. Indicom has also emphasized it is not a lawful reason to stop. So, officer, we can make this short. If you give me an order, I'll give it to you.
Right. When you're finished speaking, I'll talk to you.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Finished, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Documents and license for inspection, please, sir.
Is that an order or is it a request?
Sir, documents and license.
Is it an order or a request?
Excuse me. Documents and license.
Is that an order or a request? Just what simple question and I'll give it to you.
Give me a sec. There's a gentleman here and we have some kind of issues with because he refuses to give me.
Because it's not a lawful reason to stop me. That is not a lawful reason. This has been going on for too long. It's irritating now. It's really irritating. The police need to get educated. It is not a lawful reason to stop. Document inspection, public safe. That is for public vehicles.
I'm telling him that the Road Traffic Act permits me.
No, which section? Which section? Which section? All right. I'm asking you. If you're ordering me, I'll give it to you. If you say order, I'll give it to you.
If you want to take that.
No, you have to tell me that. Qualified immunity. Is that an order? Just quickly, is it an order?
We can stay here all day.
I have the whole day. I'm just going to buy it.
Me too, sir.
All right.
So when you're ready to give me the documents, then we can talk.
Remember that if you keep me here beyond a certain amount of time, it constitutes.
When you're ready to talk to the police.
I'm saying, are you ordering me? Are you ordering?
I made a request, sir.
And I'm saying your request is an ask.
Stop you under the Road Traffic Act and check your documents.
That is not a lawful reason.
Is in proper
I have freedom of movement. It's a constitutional right. Section 13, subsection 2.
I don't care what you want to quote today, sir.
Oh.
What I am saying.
So you don't respect the law? The said case of Hemans versus the Attorney General, the judge said in closing, this court is not unmindful of the high level of crime and the difficulties in circumstances in which the security forces are asked to operate. However, experience in this and other countries tells us that the fight against crime will be lost if in the course of that fight, war is declared on the rights of the citizens of that country. That is one of the important reasons why the rights of all citizens must be respected as the police carry out their very challenging duties. And the judge did then send this ruling to the Commissioner of Police. There's a lawsuit coming in now. Another one. Your friend here has one pending. If you so you're detaining me. You're detaining me for an unlawful reason.
Anything you want. You can video all you want.
So may I come out of the vehicle?
Sir?
May I come out of the vehicle?
Yes, sir. You can
So you're safe. You don't feel threatened. Yes.
Documents in your driver's license.
If you order me for the documents, I can give them to you. If you're going to ask me for them, I'm not going to give it to you. So we can enjoy this detention. And remember, it's $500,000 for the first hour. You guys need to know the law. It's happening for too long. It's 500,000. Learn the law. So, officer, we can't stop wasting each other's time, you know. If you order me, I'll give it to you. Let's see how long this is going to last for today. Officer, Corporal Wilson, you're wasting my time.
You're wasting the police time as well.
If the police order me, I'll give it. Say you don't want to order me.
Sir,
Question, am I free to go? Corporal,
no, sir, you're not free to
so I'm detained.
because I'm not sure if your vehicle
Yes.
should be under
You have no authority under the Road Traffic Act to do such things. The Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedom in the Constitution of Jamaica, it says at section 14, no person shall be deprived of his liberty except on reasonable grounds and in accordance with fair procedures established in the following circumstances. And section F is what is important in this matter, and that is the detention of a person on reasonable suspicion of him having committed a offense. In this case, there was no such offense. But that is no, this is a public space. I can record anything that's in the public space. Officer, know the law, man. You know, only get on the job, man. Only get on the job.